Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. As a part of these Python interview questions sequences, already we covered up to 19th question. In this session, we are going to discuss about the next question, 20th question. What is the difference between list and dictionary? When we should go for list and when we should go for dictionary? Very, very important point. See, as we know that when we should go for list, it is nothing but what? Collection of individual objects. If you want to collect individual objects, like for example, if you take I want to create a list with one object called 10 and 23, 55, 89, like this. Can I say these are individual elements? 10 is one individual element, 23 is one individual element, 55 and 89 are different individual elements. So if you want to go for individual elements, then only we have to go for this list. And in our previous questions, we have seen our list is going to provide support for heterogeneous objects. Okay. Next and after that, even index concept is allowed. Index concept is allowed. We can access the values based on indexes. Even duplicates are allowed. We can take duplicate objects also, no problem. And it is growable in nature. Growable in the sense what? We can add the objects, we can remove the objects, even we can perform update operation also. These are happily we can take. From this point, I can say it is nothing but mutable. Mutable in the sense what? Modifications are allowed. We can do modifications, no problem at all. All these points with example we have seen in our previous videos. Now I'm going to talk about the dictionary. Sir, all these points are same for dictionary. Sir, dictionary is collection of, not collection of individual objects. It is a collection of key and value pairs. So the data will be available in the form of key and value pairs. If you want, you can see. Sir, I want to take a key as a one. So name is nothing but something like I am taking triple A. 2 I am taking, sir, I am taking triple B. 3 is the key, value is nothing but a triple C. 4 is the key, value is nothing but a triple D. So 5 is the key, value is nothing but a triple E. Like this I'm taking. If you print the dictionary, you can see we are going to get a list of key and value pairs is there. Heterogeneous objects are allowed for both keys and values. We can take heterogeneous objects for both the keys and values. If you want, you can see I want to create one dictionary where 1 : triple A I'm taking. Okay, so Prakash colon triple B I'm taking. Okay, next and after that something like a true colon I want to take triple C. Can I take like this, or true colon 45.66? Can I take like this? If you print a dictionary, you can see we are getting 1:45.66. Sir, already for one we have taken triple A. But why it is not taking this one? Because it is converting into integer format. Okay, like that we have. Then index concept is allowed. Actually, index concept is not allowed here, but keys will act as index, which is going to act as an index keys. If you want the previous example I am taking, it is not zero based index. It is not zero based index. If you are trying to take d of 0, we will get error. What error message? Key error. that particular key is not available, like that we are telling. So it is not index based concept, but you can use keys as a index. If you ask d of 2, it is going to print triple b. If you are taking d of 5, it is going to print triple e. Like that, sir, we can take index concept, but that index concept, index must be keys. What about a duplicate? Duplicate keys. Duplicate keys are not allowed. Duplicate keys are not allowed, but values can be duplicated. Okay, duplicate keys are not allowed, but values can be duplicated. If you want, you can see. I am taking dictionary D1 is equal to 1 colon triple A I am taking. So 2 colon triple B I am taking. Sir, 1 colon triple C I am taking. So I have taken duplicate keys. Which is duplicate key here? 1. How many entries are there? 3 entries. But you can see how many entries will be there in final. So when we are taking duplicate keys, it is not raising any error message. Simply, it is going to take only the latest value. What about values? Values can be duplicated. Let me take D2 is equal to, I am taking 1 colon triple A, 2 colon triple A, 3 colon triple A. In all these 3 keys, we have given a common value. Will it accept? Happily it is going to take. This is nothing but duplicate keys are not allowed, but values can be duplicated. Is it growable in nature? Yes. If you have a dictionary, we can add the objects, we can remove the objects, and we can perform update operation. If you want, let us have an example. D is equal to, I am taking 1 colon triple A, 2 colon triple B. Like this we have. If you print the dictionary, we have only 2 entries are there. If I want to add a new entry, directly we can take like this. Now, how many entries are there in the dictionary? 3 entries. If you want, you can delete by using del keyword. There is no explicit method. We have to use like this. Now, if you print, you can see the entry 2 is not there. If you take D of 1 is equal to, already triple A is there, I want to update with Prakash. Yes, it is updated. Can I say it is growable in nature? Yes. And is it mutable or not? Definitely it is mutable. Why? Because modifications are allowed. We can do modifications. Happily, we can do modifications. No problem at all. This is nothing but what is the difference between list and then dictionary. I hope you understood very clearly, sir. Okay. Thank you.